Here I'll explain documents. You can think of the documents as the internal storage of your knowledge base, documentation, website page, and so on. So as an example, let's use our knowledge base article and put it here. Extract content from the source. Here we go. It extracted the content of our article. This should be our title because this best describes our content and so on. Now let's create a document. Why do we actually need these documents? When the user asks a question, the AI will search through these documents in order to find an answer in the content of these documents. And once the AI finds it, it will retrieve the part from the content which answers the user's question and give a link to the source. Okay, now let's configure our slots and actions to be able to search through these documents actually. Go to slots, create new action, go to search. Now we need to set up the structure for our document search. We'll have query. Query may be like, can I integrate with APIs? So this is our user question, right? User query. And output slots are pretty much constant. It should have result and source. Result is the content of the articles that answers this question, and source is the source of an article. And endpoint URL will be our internal endpoint doc search. Let's test our endpoint. Here we go, it works. It found a proper article to our query. Now let's save our action and configure dialog scenarios. In dialog scenarios, let's say user asks a question, can I integrate with Publi? We take this question as a query, put it down here as a query value, perform an action, search, get files from the API. Here we go, it returned the content of the article that contains the answer, that has the answer to this question, and give the source, perform action. Now we have to generate a response based on this content, right? So we give AI an example what the response should be, and in our case this is a very small part of this article, like here. Check out the public integration video here, and very importantly, provide the source link. This is a free format. We might prefer to do it this way, like source, so on. Finish the dialog. Now let's test how it works. Okay, let's ask a question that's related to another article. For example, do you have partnership programs? Here we go, it found the proper article, generated a response based on that article to our question and provided source. That's pretty much it. Thank you very much.